your 10-minute HIIT and abs if you have always wanted a flat stomach and to really get a super good workout in. You are in the right place. If you're wanting longer lasting results, please join us on the Lean app, link in the description box below. You can join an amazing bunch of beautiful women who have made so much progress, and I'm so proud of them, and I want to see you there too. You do not need any equipment for this workout, just your beautiful selves. Let's go.
I take the whole city down with this.
You're gonna give me a half squat into 2 high knees. We've got 45 seconds on, 15 off. You have got this.
Wanna be brave, wanna move like an assassin. Just to be frank, it's not for the faint of heart. And the only question left is, where do we start? I take the whole city down with this. I take the whole city down with this. I'm a Palisade, swinging on a helicopter blade, eating fit fillet. When I'm done, I'll be on the way.
Almost there.
See the city.
10 seconds left.
Running through the middle of your face. I'm a red cape, hip stance. I'ma save the day at the midpoint. Nice of you to come and join the race. If it's victory, that's the only thing that I'ma taste. Watch the moon, river dance, and reflect the lake. It's everything. The voice inside your head said that.
Ground to overhead. So we're gonna reach down, and then as you reach up, we're kicking that leg out, alternating sides.
We're gonna stomp our feet. We're gonna move our bodies to my disco beat. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat.
20 seconds.
Move your body, move your body. Move your body, move your body. Move your body, move your body. Are you ready to come with me? We're gonna.
Alright, come to the end of the mat. Extend those arms. We're gonna come from side to side. And then you're reaching hand to hand on the other side. Amazing work. Facing the front, we're gonna drop squat, turn to the side, and we're alternating sides every time, okay? Here we go, 45 seconds. Drop it down low. Work that booty, work those legs.
We're gonna stop. We're gonna stop. We're gonna.
Cardio move, and then we're getting onto abs. You've got 2 star jumps, 4 bump kicks. Here we go. Smile on green.
I am the building block for my city. Pull up with that trunk, that bump to get busy. They feeling sanctified in my city. You ain't gotta ride the wave to ride with me. I wanna touch the sky and get jiggy. I wanna choose the vibe and I'm picky. I might just bring the world to my city. I got the sound that make the game gritty. Whoa.
Less than 15 seconds.
Whoa. Open your mind and find me. Whoa. I'm up high and I'm free. Whoa. Got more height than I need. Whoa. Feel the energy in your cortex. Signed by the vibe and endorse that. I bring the wave to your doorstep.
Amazing work. 15 seconds. Get down onto the floor. We are now going into abs. We've got 30 seconds on each ab exercise. 5 minutes. Into that side plank. Reach that arm up and we're going to do tiny little hip dips here, working on those obliques.
I hang on to the stars. We're stronger, we're stronger. I know just who we are. This is where you belong.
10 seconds, you got this.
The one that make the ceiling jump. I hold it down, then up comes the funk. Slick with the shoulder roll, then the foot thump. Headed to the beach, wanna throw me fist pump.
Alright, straight into, I know, we're gonna hold this, alright? Hold it, and we're gonna crunch. And open.
Whoa, I'ma put my dream on a magnet. I'ma put my heart and my passion. Whoa, I want the vibe everlasting. Look up in the sky, try to catch him. Whoa, you got one life, gotta live it now.
10 seconds! I know it's burning, but keep moving.
Filling out, new stars in the city and we speaking out.
Wow. Okay, onto all fours. Push up, and we're gonna tap those toes. Straight on it. And then the opposite side. Alright, quick change over onto the other side. You know what to do, little hip dips.
Not just anybody, yeah, you been through that. Not just can't date anybody, yeah, we been through that. Can't be replaced, it's just something about you. And I can't go a day without being without you. So listen, baby, please don't lie to me. Just tell me, can you take another try with me? No limits, baby, come and take a ride with me.
A tiny 5-second break. And then we're going into those oblique crunches. 3, 2, 1, crunch it down. Open up. I know it's burning. Okay, I feel it too, but we're in this together.
Everybody, throw it back and I'm not just anybody. When they got my name up, got my cake up, I really had to wake up, grab a cake up, so I'm really changed up.
Control. 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo!
I had to go get my mind right.
What's next?
Be back when the time's right, I promise, baby.
Where am I? Okay, onto the floor. You're gonna extend those arms. And then you're gonna crunch in, pulling everything in.
Can you take another try with me? No limits, baby, come and take a ride with me. Let's get it, baby, I'ma let you drive for me. If I tell you that I love you, shawty, I truly do. Like that, we been through the most, so you know me why you're close. Cause I like it, it's your shawty, let me get another try.
Alright, straight onto sit-ups. Straight on. Burn out those abs for the last few minutes.
Not just anybody, yeah, you been through that. Not just can't date anybody, yeah, we been through that. Can't be replaced, this is something about you. And I can't go a day without being without you.
Alright. Woo! Stay on your bum. I don't know where I'm going. You're gonna crunch it. Nice and controlled. 30 seconds each side, and then we got one more movement.
Like that, we been through the most, so you know me why you're close. Cause I like it, it's your shawty, let me get another try. Cause you the one that I tell no lie. Say give me love and way you wind up your body. Throw it back, tell I'm not just anybody.
Alright, quick stretch out. 3, 2, 1, other side.
If I tell you that I love you, shawty, I truly
it as much as I did. Please come back and support my channel. I appreciate it so much. Give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment box below, and I can't wait to sweat with you again. Love you, Bucks fam!